how to fix Windows stop code error. So if you want to fix the Windows stop code error, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with search and search for CMD, go with run as administrator, and under run as administrator, click on yes, and here you will get this kind of interface where you just need to simply enter a command. So the command goes like dism.exe space / online space / cleanup hyphen image space / restore health, and after that hit the enter. The scan process will take some time. Now you need to type in the other command after the scanning process completes. So the other command goes like sfc space / scan now, and hit the enter, and it will again scan the whole computer and will repair any corrupted files. And because on my PC I don't have any problem, so I'm skipping this step and going to perform another command. So the next command goes like chkdsk space your drive name, which is I'm choosing C drive, and then colon, and press enter on your keyboard. This command will scan the Windows and tell you the problem in the Windows file. And after that, you need to update your Windows. So always update your Windows. To do so, you need to go with settings. Once you open up your settings, you need to go with Windows Update, which will be on the bottom left. Click on Windows Update, and here if you have any updates, then you just need to simply go with Restart Now or Update, and your PC or your laptop will be updated. After that, restart your device and your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your Windows stop code error. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.